Hey guys, EatFYB is a delicious meal prep company based out of Charlottetown, Prince Edward Island. They provide a bunch of different meals at affordable rates and they're quite honestly delicious. So I'm going to show you a couple meals that I got and give you my review of them. So I have here the taco beef with double vegetables. As you can see, 262 calories, 33 grams of protein, 10 carbs, 10 grams of fats. You can see the ingredients there. Very healthy. Microwave for about a minute and a half. That's what I cooked it for. This is what it looks like here. Lots of vegetables, lots of protein. So let's dig in. Get the first bite here. Peppers, beef, and corn. Really flavorful beef. Vegetables are great. Has good spice in the beef. Flavorful, the vegetables pair greatly with it. You see the peppers got a bit of spice on them too. Overall, really good. Now, this meal is very low in calories, 262 calories. I feel like this is a lot of food. I'd be full after eating this. Maybe not full, but you know what I'm saying. It's filling. Good quality protein, beef locally sourced on Prince Edward Island. Delicious vegetables, good seasoning. We got a little Greek yogurt sauce here too. Amazing. Yeah, so as you can see, finished off the entire thing. Delicious. I couldn't believe that was only 262 calories. There was a lot of food volume in there. This recyclable little package here. Weight to clean. 33 grams of protein. I don't feel like I'm stuffed, but I do feel full. So this is fantastic for cutting. I'm currently going through a cut phase right now. I feel like I could go a couple hours again without eating. And that was only 262 calories. Like, mind blown. So yeah, if you're dieting, 9.5 out of 10 for that one. That is amazing. Like, can't beat the macronutrients. The carrots were a little bit unflavorful, but carrots are always unflavorful. So yeah, I'm a huge fan of this. I recommend this to anyone that is going through any type of cutting phase, wants to get quality protein in, doesn't want the calories. Because wow, for 262 calories, I don't think you can find anything more delicious. So check out EatFYB. I'm gonna leave a link below. Highly recommend them. They have a lot of different options for meals, and I'm gonna post a few other videos of different meals that I get from them, so you can check that out, see what I think of it, see what it looks like, smells like, and what the review is like. So stay tuned for more videos like that.